Welcome to my channel. Today we will see class 10 NCERT chapter number 1 real numbers exercise 1.4 introduction, that is rational numbers and their decimal expansion. First, what is the rational number? Rational number in the sense that we know it is in the form of p by q. So rational numbers, it is in the form of p by q where q not equal to 0, because q equal to 0 in the sense it will get not defined, so that only it is not equal to 0 I'm giving. Okay, and if we explore explore the p by q into decimal form, in the sense into decimal form, now definitely we will get it two types. Okay, into decimal form, then we gets two types. One terminating, another one non-terminating. Only these two method only we have in the decimal: terminating, non-terminating. In the terminating, generally terminate in the sense we know what is that, it will end the value. End in the sense, if you divide some number, suppose if you are taking like a 10 by 2, if you are taking now, if the 10 by 2, just I am dividing by long division, so 5 2s are 10, so remainder I am getting 0. So that remainder, if you get equal to 0, that is terminating. Suppose remainder not equal to 0, like 1 by 3 suppose I am taking. So 1 by 3 if you divide by the long division, 1 by 3, so that is I am dividing 1 in 1, there is no 3, so that 0 point, then I am giving 0 here. So 3 times it will come, 3 3s are 9, again 1, already I give point, so that again 1 0, so 3 3s are, it will go, it will continue like. Okay, so that remainder I'm not getting 0 here, so this is remainder not equal to 0. That is the meaning. Terminate in the sense remainder you will get 0, means it will end the value. In quotient we will get end value, but non-terminating na, in quotient there is no end value, it will continue. Okay, and here also we have two types that will come in the rational and irrational. That's now no need, we have only the decimal types. Okay, so now we'll go now. Terminating the sense remainder equal to 0, non-terminating na, not equal to 0, the remainder value not equal to 0. This is only types we have. Okay, now with long division we got remainder, if you get 0 terminate, after that remainder not equal to 0 non-terminating. Now without dividing, how you will identify terminate, non-terminate, that is the thing. Okay, now just see, suppose we have 10 by 2, see the denominator 2. Okay, some other number you can take, some other, this is for a just for I'm taking some other number I'm taking. See, suppose 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, like 1 by 5, understand? And numerators, if you need something also you can take, no problem, like 1 by 7, this values you can take. Now if we divide, already I divided here, if you divide, it will go without a terminate, like non-terminate. If we divide these two things, we will get 0.5. If we divide these two things, we know 0.25. If we divide this, we will get 0.2. But if we divide, I don't know, we need to divide this. So 1 by 7. In the sense, this is 10, 1 time 7. If we divide this 3, I'm getting, okay. This is 10, so then 0.1. Okay. Now I gave already point, so this is 30. 4 7s are 28. Again, what is that? I'm getting 2, 0, 20 in the sense 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 6 I have 60. Like that it will continue. I hope you will never get 0, so that it will go. So the denominator we have 2, okay, 4 in the sense 2 power of some value, and 5. Apart from 2 and 5, if you get some other value like 3 and 7, we are getting non-terminating. we are getting non-terminating. See here 3 it's non-terminated, here 7 it's get non-terminated. Some other number also you can take, divide, definitely you will get non-terminated only. But 2 or 2 power of some number like 4 in the sense 2 square, okay, 5 or 5 square of some numbers. If we divide these things, we are getting terminated value, so that only I'm going to give one simple example for a terminating. So terminating in the sense, the P by Q form is there na. This Q, I mean the denominator we have, it is in the form of 2 or power of 2 something, okay, or multiply, this together also can multiply 5 or power of 5 something, okay. Like this if you have na, definitely it will be terminated, okay. In the denominator only we have to check it. For example, suppose some other number you can take like what is that 13 by, I'm taking like 10 in the sense, why I'm giving 10 here na, see 13 by 10 we can able to write it 2 into 5, okay. So see we have a 2 and 5. 10 in the sense we have 1 0 na, after one digit we need to give the point 1.3, 1 0, so 1 point after I'm giving point, what is that point, that's it. So it is now terminating value, terminated. If you divide this you will get the remainder 0, okay. In same way some other example also I'm taking like what is that same 13 by 2 I'm taking, 13 by 2. So how you will get divided here, 2 power 1, but there is no 5 sir, how you will write this na, 5 power 0 we have, 5 power 0 we have. Now definitely if we divide this together it will be terminated. If you have a doubt now you can divide, this is what 13 by 2 I'm right, this 13 by 2 only we are writing like this. So 13 by 2 we can divide 13 divided 2 in the sense 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, put the point 0, 5 2s are 10, remainder I'm getting 0. Remainder if you get 0, I told you already, it's terminating, remainder 0 it's terminate. Now it's a terminate, okay. So without a divide also, by using this form, we can able to show this is terminate or non-terminate, understand. Now if you need to convert these things into decimal form now, what is the highest power, 0 or 1 we have to take this 1, okay, 1, same 1 we need to bring in the 5, means 1 5 you can multiply and divide, that's it. Then what I am getting, 13 into 5 divided 2 into 5, then what I am getting, this is 10, and here you can 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, okay, and 3 what is that 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 65. 1 0 in the sense I told you already, one digit after we need to give point, means 6.5, that's 65. Some other big number also you can take, definitely you will get it like this, understand. I hope you will understand through this form, so that this is how we are getting, that is very important. This is by trial and error method only we are getting like this. What is that example I gave na, through this only we are getting. So the denominator is in the form of a 2 power m into 5 power n. The m and n must be positive value, like a positive integer. Here m comma n must be positive integer, means belongs to whole number or positive integer, whatever you can say, no problem. Understand, because power should be positive. If you give the negative value na, see like suppose I'm giving 1 by 2 power minus 1, in the sense what is the meaning, this is actually which is equal to 2, because the denominator, the minus, if you need to get positive na, bring this value into numerator, then you will get 2 power 1, that is 2, okay. Here means by 1 only we have the meaning, this is rational only, but how you will convert into decimal, not possible. So that only I am telling, the power m and n must be positive integer or whole number, okay my. Okay, next non-terminating. So non-terminating in the sense, so what I said for terminate, opposite of that, that's it. So for terminate what I said, in the denominator it satisfied 2 power m into 5 power n na, that is I said terminating. So non-terminating in the sense, the denominator q is not in the form of is not in the form of what is that 2 power something into 5 power something. Okay, this it's satisfied na, that is called non-terminating. Example I'm giving Daraja. Example, what is that 1 by 7, 1 by 6. Okay, and next what is that some 7 by 30 6, like this numbers. Why I'm telling na, this is 7 and 6 in the sense 2 into 3. 2 we have, but 3 we don't need. Likewise, the 36 is 7 divided 36. I will write 6 square. Now only I said 6 in the sense 2 into 3 square na, 2 square then 3 square. If we get 3 also, it's non-terminating. So except this 2 and 5, if we get some other number, definitely it will go into non-terminating. Okay. Thank you, my dear. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.